everyone, welcome back to my channel, and I have yet another plushie tutorial for you guys. And for this video I'm going to be showing you how to make two panda bear plushies. Yes, two. I'll be showing you how to make the regular panda bear, which looks like this, and I will also be showing you how to make the red panda bear plushie. And if you'd like to learn how to make these two plushies, stay tuned for this video. And also, don't feel limited to making the plushies look exactly like these two. You can use different colors, add on different accessories. And to give some examples, I had actually made a blue and a pink one where I made the feet different colors. And then I had also added on these little bows just to make them a little extra cute. And also the template for both of these plushies is down in the description box, so be sure to go print that out and then you can get on sewing. To make this little panda plush, you're going to need felt in the colors black and white thread, scissors, tacky glue, stuffing, plastic eyes. Optionally, you can also have some ribbon and also a sewing needle. The first step is to cut out all of your pieces, and you're going to get these two white body pieces, these two black pieces for the ears, these two black pieces for the arms, these two black pieces for the feet, and also these two white ovals and these 6 little white circles, these two black pieces for the eye patches, these two white pieces for the snout, and then lastly you'll get this little black piece for the nose. Next you're going to take the two black eye patches, and what you're going to do is fold it in half, just like this, and you're going to make a small little slit right in it, and you're going to do that for both of the two pieces. After making the two small slits in the black pieces, you're going to place them down onto the white body piece just like this, and then you're going to take a marker and make a mark right where the hole is so it will then show up on the white body piece, just like this. After putting the two little marks onto the white body piece, you're going to then fold it like this, take your scissors, and make a little slit in each of the spots where the marks are, just like that. I'm going to be using these little black plastic eyepieces for this plush, and to attach them I am then going to put it into the little hole on the black patch, and then I'm going to put it through the hole in the white body piece just like that, and then I'm going to attach it into the back just like that. If you don't have these little black eyepieces, do not worry, you don't need them to complete the plush. If you don't have them, you can simply cut out a little circle using black felt or white felt and glue or sew it on instead. And if you choose to use that method, you don't need to cut the little slits in the black patches and the white body piece as I had previously shown. Next, you're going to take your two black ears and two black arms and place them onto the other body piece just like this. And then you are going to take the piece with the eyes and place it on top just like that, and then you're going to sew around using the blanket stitch. The blanket stitch is a really simple stitch to use, and I use it all the time in my plushie tutorials. And all you have to do is when you make the stitch, you pull. Before pulling all the way through, you're going to go back and loop and then pull. So I'll show you one more time. You make your stitch, you pull, go through the loop, and then pull all the way. To do the blanket stitch with a piece in between the plush, you're going to follow the same concept. So you're going to make your stitch, and then when you pull through, you're going to go back through as if where the thread probably would have gone if this piece was not in the way. You're going to pull, go through the loop, and then pull to complete the stitch. So to show you that again, what you're going to do is make the stitch, go back through where the thread would have gone, pull, go through the loop, and then pull all the way through. You can also attach a piece of ribbon if you would like to make the plush into a keychain or be able to hang it up. And to attach the ribbon, you're going to use the exact same step as you did when attaching the ear. Before sewing the plush shut, remember to leave a small opening in order to fill it up with some stuffing. And you can add as much or as little stuffing as you would like into the plush. After you finish sewing the plush together, it's going to look something like this. And then what you're going to do is take glue and glue this part of the black piece onto the white body piece, and then also this part onto the white body piece. You are also going to be gluing this white piece right here, this white piece right on top, and then you're going to take the little black nose and glue it on right there. You're also going to glue on all these white pieces onto the two black feet, and then you're going to glue the feet right onto the panda bear, just like that. When you're all done, this is how the little panda bear plushie is going to turn out, the front and then the back. And like I said before, you can have fun with this and use different colors, add on different accessories. And to give some examples, I had made the little pink and the blue bear where I made the feet different colors, and I also added on these little pink and blue bows. If you would like to make this red panda plushie, you're going to need felt in the colors black, white, orange, and brown. You're also going to need orange thread, plastic eyes, scissors, tacky glue, stuffing, a sewing needle, and then optionally you can also have some ribbon if you would like to use that. To make the red panda plushie, you're going to be cutting out all of these pieces, which consist of these two orange pieces for the body, these two white pieces for the ears, also these two little brown pieces for the ears. You're going to be cutting out the same two white pieces for the snout and also the same little black nose. You're also going to be cutting out these two brown pieces, these two white pieces, and these two white pieces for the face. You're going to also have these two brown pieces for the arms, these two brown pieces for the feet, and also these same white circles and ovals for the feet that you'd cut out previously for the panda. And then lastly, you're going to have this orange tail and then these two brown stripes. If you're going to be using the plastic eyes like I did previously for the other panda plush, you're going to place down all of these pieces onto one of the body pieces and then make a little mark right where you're going to be putting the eyes. Next, if you're going to be using the plastic eyes, attach them the exact same way that I had previously shown. Take the other body piece and then place down the ears, the arms, and the tail down just like this. And then you're going to take the other body piece that has the eyes on it, place it on top just like this, and then you're going to sew around just like you did before. After you finish sewing the plush together, you're going to glue on these snout pieces, this nose, these two brown pieces, these two white pieces, these white pieces, these two brown pieces onto the ear, the 2 feet, and then also these 2 brown stripes on the tail. When you're done, this is how it turns out. And just like the other panda plush, if you would like to add on ribbon, feel free to do so. And also, if you don't have these plastic eyes, don't worry, you can always glue or sew on little felt circles on instead. This is how the 2 little pandas came out when they're all done. I had absolutely so much fun making these and creating the designs. I really hope you enjoyed this video and have fun making your own little panda plushies. If you like this video, please be sure to go and give it a thumbs up. And if you have any recommendations for future videos, be sure to leave that down in the comments. I love hearing from you guys. And that's it. I hope you guys all have a wonderful day, and goodbye.